Are you tired of using drills that just can't keep up with your demanding projects? You're always on the lookout for a tool that's going to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. And let me tell you, I've been there too, /N. But here's what surprised me when I started researching the Milwaukee M18 2801-20 drill. It's not just any ordinary drill, /N. Therefore, if you're looking for a tool that can handle heavy-duty tasks with ease and precision, then keep watching because we're about to dive into the details of this powerhouse drill. For the best price, click the link in the description. Deep Dive Act 2. 250 to 300 words. The Milwaukee M18 2801-20 drill is part of their popular M18 cordless system, known for its reliability and performance, /N. But what really sets it apart from other drills on the market is its impressive power-to-weight ratio, /N. Therefore, this drill can deliver a whopping 325 unit watts out of power, making quick work of even the toughest materials, /N. And don't worry about running out of juice with a single charge. You'll get up to 300 holes drilled or driven, depending on the application. But here's another surprising thing. This drill has an adjustable torque setting that allows you to customize your drilling experience for specific tasks, /N. This means you can switch from high torque mode for heavy-duty drilling to low torque mode for more delicate work without having to change bits, /N. Therefore, this feature will save you time and effort in the long run. The drill also features a comfortable grip design that fits perfectly in your hand, reducing fatigue and allowing you to work for longer periods without feeling uncomfortable, /N. And with Milwaukee's legendary battery technology, you can trust that your drill will keep going even when the job gets tough, /N. But don't just take our word for it, let's take a closer look at what owners have been saying about this drill. Resolution Act 3, 300 to 400 words. So is the Milwaukee M18 2801-20 drill worth the extra money you'll spend? The answer lies in its performance, reliability, and versatility, /N. With its powerful motor, adjustable torque setting, and comfortable grip design, this drill can handle anything from heavy-duty construction to DIY projects around the house, /N. And with Milwaukee's reputation for quality and durability, you can trust that your investment will last for years to come. But don't just take our word for it, check out what some of the owners have been saying about this drill on Amazon, /N. One reviewer praised its incredible power and noted that it has become their go-to drill for heavy-duty tasks, /N. Another owner appreciated its compact size, which made it perfect for working in tight spaces, /N. And a third reviewer raved about the battery life, saying they've been able to get up to 400 holes drilled on a single charge. In conclusion, if you're looking for a drill that's going to make your work easier and more efficient, then look no further than the Milwaukee M18 2801-20 drill, /N. With its impressive power-to-weight ratio, adjustable torque setting, and comfortable grip design, this drill is worth every penny of the extra money you'll spend, /N. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on one today by clicking the link in the description below.